You might want to get logged into your Flickr apps account but don't know how to do it. Well, in that case, I'll teach you how to get logged into your Flickr apps account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So before getting logged into your Flickr apps account, first of all, make sure to install Flickr app and then open it just like this. Now tap on this login option below here. Now enter your email address related to this current account and then tap on password and enter your password connected to this account. When you've done it, tap on this login option below. So here you can see that I am logged into my own account easily, and to make sure, I'm going to tap on this profile icon on the top center here, and Christine Evans, that's my name. So this is how you do it. This is how you get logged into your Flickr apps account easily. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video.